Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the device and browser so you pick the right tools. Next, open a private or incognito window and sign out of any accounts that sync history across devices. Create a separate user profile or use the guest account to keep searches isolated. Choose a strong password and save it somewhere secure. Once done, make sure sync is disabled in settings so searches won't upload to a shared account or cloud history. Now focus on tools that change how queries leave your device. Switch to a privacy search engine and turn on enhanced tracking protection in the browser so third parties can't log queries. If needed, activate a trusted VPN or Tor to route traffic off the local network. This prevents router or ISP history exposure. After that, run a manual clear of browser history, cookies, and saved form data so old searches don't remain. Make sure extensions finish by verifying that history is gone across browser profiles, synced accounts, and the home router's admin logs. Look for cached DNS or parental controls that still record sites. Then adopt habits. Use private sessions, enable automatic clearing, and run periodic checks. If something goes wrong and searches still show up, revoke permissions from suspicious apps, reset account passwords, and disable unknown extensions. You can also clear DNS cache and reboot the device. One key tip: if parental controls persist, communicate or seek a trusted adult to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.